Did you know that a single mosquito can find you from over 100 feet away, thanks to its incredible sense of smell? This is just one of the many reasons why mosquitoes are often dubbed the most dangerous creatures on the planet. They carry diseases like malaria, dengue, and Zika, which can have devastating effects on human health. As the warmer months approach, the question arises, have you ever tried to create your own mosquito repellent? With the increasing awareness of the potential health risks associated with mosquito bites, many people are seeking out natural solutions to fend off these pesky invaders. The concept of DIY mosquito repellent hacks has gained popularity, especially among those who prefer to avoid chemical-laden sprays. A plethora of household items and natural ingredients are touted as effective deterrents, leading to a surge of interest in testing these hacks. Armed with a list of common ingredients and a determination to find the best natural repellent, I embarked on a journey to discover which DIY methods actually work. To frame the challenge, it's essential to understand the nuisance mosquitoes pose. They are not just annoying, they can ruin a pleasant evening outdoors and pose significant health risks. As someone who enjoys spending time in the garden or on the patio during the summer, the prospect of being bitten is enough to deter anyone from enjoying the great outdoors. Thus, the necessity for effective repellent solutions becomes clear. With this in mind, I set out to test a variety of DIY mosquito repellent hacks. My first stop was the world of essential oils, which are often touted for their aromatic properties and potential insect-repelling abilities. I gathered a selection of oils, including citronella, eucalyptus, lavender, and tea tree. Each of these oils is believed to have compounds that can mask the scents that attract mosquitoes, making it harder for them to hone in on their target. I mixed a few drops of each oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil, and applied them to my skin. The results were promising. While the citronella oil provided a pleasant aroma, it also seemed to keep the mosquitoes at bay for a couple of hours. Eucalyptus oil, known for its strong scent, was particularly effective, with noticeably fewer bites during my testing period. Lavender and tea tree oils offered some protection as well, but I found their effectiveness to be more short-lived. It was fascinating to see how these natural oils, derived from plants, could potentially disrupt the mosquito's ability to detect me. Next, I turned my attention to vinegar, another popular household item that is often suggested as a mosquito repellent. I decided to test both apple cider vinegar and white vinegar. I mixed equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle and applied it to my skin and clothing. The pungent smell was overwhelming, but I persevered, hoping for results. Surprisingly, while the vinegar did not completely repel mosquitoes, it seemed to deter them for a short period. However, the scent was so strong that it could be a deterrent to humans as well. Herbs also came into play during my testing phase. I gathered fresh basil, mint, and rosemary from my garden, all of which are known for their insect-repelling properties. I crushed the leaves to release their oils and rubbed them onto my skin. The fresh aroma was delightful, and to my surprise, the mosquitoes seemed less interested in me while I was surrounded by this fragrant foliage. The natural oils in these herbs likely interfered with the mosquitoes' ability to detect carbon dioxide, which they rely on to find their prey. As the days went by, I noted the effectiveness of each method. While essential oils provided some of the best protection, the combination of herbs created a delightful and aromatic barrier against the pests. The vinegar, while not very effective on its own, could serve as a base for other mixtures if combined with essential oils or herbs for a more pleasant scent. One particularly surprising finding came when I experimented with a DIY repellent that combined several of the tested ingredients. I mixed equal parts of citronella oil, eucalyptus oil, and apple cider vinegar in a spray bottle, adding a few sprigs of crushed mint leaves for good measure. The result was a potent blend that not only smelled refreshing, but also provided a significant level of protection against mosquitoes. I found that this concoction lasted longer than any of the individual components, suggesting that combining ingredients might enhance their repellent properties. After thoroughly testing these DIY mosquito repellent hacks, I compiled my findings. The essential oils, particularly eucalyptus and citronella, emerged as the most effective options, providing several hours of protection. The fresh herbs also showed promise, especially when used in conjunction with essential oils. Vinegar, while not a standalone solution, could enhance the effectiveness of other ingredients when used wisely. For readers eager to try their hand at creating their own mosquito repellent at home, I recommend starting with a blend of essential oils. A simple mix of 10 drops of eucalyptus oil, 10 drops of citronella oil, and a tablespoon of carrier oil can create a potent repellent. Additionally, incorporating fresh herbs like basil or mint can add a pleasant aroma and enhance effectiveness. In conclusion, the quest for effective DIY mosquito repellents revealed that natural ingredients can indeed provide a viable alternative to commercial products. While results may vary based on individual preferences and local mosquito populations, experimenting with these hacks can lead to a more enjoyable outdoor experience. With a little creativity and the right ingredients, you can create your own solutions that not only repel mosquitoes, but also keep your summer evenings enjoyable and bite-free.